I'm going to show you how you can install Lethal Company on your PC in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So what you need to do is download Steam if you don't have it already, log into your account or create one, and then right here you will need to search for Lethal Company. So once you search for it, you will see you can add it to your cart right here. You can see it's an early access game. So click right here, then view my cart. In my case, I have a game here already, so I'm gonna remove it. And now you can continue to payment. So as you can see, I have some Steam wallet balance already, but you will need to attach your payment method. Any payment method you want to use, you can use PayPal or your credit card or a Steam gift card. Then we are gonna purchase the game, and once you purchase it, you can see this button will appear to install the content. So if you click there, you will need to select the drive where you want to install this game, click on install, and the download will start automatically. And after a few minutes, depending on your internet speed, you will have Lethal Company ready and you can play with your friends. So that's it. That's how simple you can download Lethal Company on your PC. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.